This is a year later, just about, I guess, and the pool is done. You can see the bananas have taken off. They're a dwarf Namois, a very hardy, apparently really high quality producer of fruit. And here's the pool, and you can see the passion fruit are growing all over it, and there are some little passion fruit that are dropping into the pool as they ripen. The pool is 100% rainwater. Just get myself over here so you can see the filtration system. I've planted these mostly lemon trees along the side, and they will grow over the arbor. I'll train them to do that. For now, the passion fruit is wildly prolific. You can see the ripening fruit there. I've got a filtration system, just a regular one you get from a pool supply place, and I'm using those fabric balls inside the filter to take out the particulate. And there's a UV filter. I'm using hydrogen peroxide, keeping it around 50 parts per million, and it's mostly doing a good job. You can see there's a bit of junk on the bottom there. Little fine stuff, but it feels fabulous. It's really nice feeling pool. And I have hooked up 4 panels that I got quite inexpensively secondhand, and they're heating the pool. They're not as great as I was hoping they would be, but I just used PVC to connect the cold side, and I will put insulation around that pipe. And then on the back side there is copper pipe. I thought, oh, when I read the specs about how little heat actually was coming from these, I thought I could run PVC at that end too, but not so. That melted and created this really loopy PVC. So we just attached a copper pipe that runs directly into the pool. And so the water filter just diverts with a valve to the panels. So a very inexpensive system to set up, very simple. And so there you go. Great swimming.